Alright, we're going to try this and see what I have set up here. Inside here is the 6 magnets on the spinning disc. And here is just an aluminum spinning disc. As you know from previous videos, the 6 magnets are mounted on an aluminum disc with a sheet of mu metal on top. I'm having trouble getting this to stay zeroed. It's drifting a bit. I don't know why. It's fine to sit at 3 or 4 grams, but it won't stay at 0. So anyway, I think my limit on there is plus or minus 100 milligrams, really. Alright, so this is the power supply, supplying my high voltage power supply. It breaks down at about 26 kilovolts, so we're not going to go over 20. When I turn it on, it's at about 10. This meter is reading kilovolts. I have my probe set up and looking at the output. It's connected to my discs. See, I'm already at 120 milligrams over here. Try that again. Alright, so if you hit this, and the discs are counter-rotating and spinning, one right on top of the other. And it vibrates a lot because my magnets are off balance. But there's your baseline, no high voltage. Just walking to the right, or counterclockwise I should say. The styrofoam kind of holds everything together. I do not have a middle plate. There's no plate between the 2 discs like Alexey has. There's no Tesla coil connected. Right now it's just the spinning discs, and I'm going to apply high voltage. So let's see how it goes here. Let's turn on the high voltage. We have about 10.6 kilovolts. Let's increase that a bit. .9. Let's see what we get. Alright, so here's zeroed again. Now we're looking for significant weight loss here, not a couple of 100 milligrams. So let's see what we get. Let's see if changing the high voltage does anything. This thing could go bang at any second here. There's 20 kilovolts, and we're at 0.8. Take these back out. Yeah. Really nothing. $20 kilovolts alone doesn't really do much. Alright, let's try tear again. Alright, so we're at 0 at 20 kilovolts. We're at 0. Turn this off. 0 and 0. Hasn't really changed anything. Back on. Right, we're at 20 kilovolts, no change. Hook on, spin it up again. This is at 12 volts, which should be about 3,000 RPM. Nothing really to speak of. Probably got 34 RPM, 3,400 RPM. Yeah, we're walking off the scale now. Wow, look at that, building up. What's building up? Got lighter. But why? Walking off the scale. Yeah, it's just walking off the scale. Try it again. Try it again. Wow, interesting. Walking off the scale. Mark, I need that disc. I can't test it with this. It wants to fly away. It's dropping back down. It seems to be stuck now. Hard to get real readings when that happens. Alright, let's zero it out again. Let's see what we get. That's hundreds of grams difference. Look at that. Walking off the scale. See? Doesn't really change. It's the scale that's losing it. Why is it dropping so much? Oh, I see. The scale has a center leg in the back, not two legs like in the front. Let's see if I can. It loses it, I think, because the scale is tipping. There's an idea. Let's try this. Okay, here's the scale. And, I used to have some two-way tape around here somewhere. I don't know where it went. I'm just going to use some glass tape here that I have. Hang around. Alright, here's some glass tape. See if we can stick it to the scale. That's sticky tape. Hopefully this will keep it from moving around. We're stuck now. Out of the way. We're still at 20 kilovolts. Notice I made it safe so you can touch it at 20 kilovolts. Nobody's going to get shocked. I have insulating shafts. The motors are not electrified. Alright, let's zero that out again. 20 kilovolts. And let's see what happens. Again, see what happens. I got negative. Wow. Nice. That actually showed something. Let's see if we can repeat it. Well, doesn't like the off balance, I'll tell you that. Alright, we're at 0.34. -1, -7, -5, -4. Hey, that looks interesting. That's twice in a row. You got some negative numbers on it while it was running. The next step is I have another box with 2 more little power supplies in it that I can control each motor separately, and then I could, with a tweaker, be able to dial it in so you don't hear that beat frequency, so that we can tune it so that the 2 motors are running at the same RPM. Right now you can hear when it's running that slow oscillation. That's the beat frequency because the 2 motors are not turning at the same RPM. Alright, it went back to 0. Let's try it again. Hey, I'd call that a minor success. Let's see what happens when I can tune the motors. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I've uploaded new videos, and read the description, and we're open for donations through PayPal or our Patreon. And this is Warp Tech at Warp Drive Tech, a partner of Falcon Space, signing off.